Hello guys, welcome to our channel My Project Ideas. In this video, we will create a SAP UI5 application with language translation functionality using OpenAI GPT API. So let's get started by creating a new application from template. As we are using Northwind system, we will need a service path. Let's get that service path. Copy this. Okay, so that now the project is created. Let's try to run this. Okay, so here is our application. First of all, let's fix the title. Okay, now let's create a table. We will bind this table with the entity product. Okay, so let's check this out. So we have a table with product name and quantity per unit as two columns with the data. Okay, let's first of all make this mode single select. Okay, and we would need a button on click of which we will translate the text. We will be translating to German. For this example, let's give a precedent function, format it. Okay, so we have a table with selection and a button here. So whenever we select a row and then on click of this translate to German, this row data should be translated to German. So let's write that logic in our controller. Let's create a function called on translate. Let's get the selected row. Okay, so now we have the object or the data of that particular row that is selected. Let's create another function for translating the data to German using OpenAI GPT API. Before that, we need an OpenAI GPT API key. So let's create that quickly. Let's open chat GPT, go to API, login. Let's log in. After login, just go to your profile, view API keys, create a new API key, copy this API key, don't close this, get back. Let me just paste this API key for reference and create another function called translate English to German. And because we'll be doing a call to this API key, let's make this function a print. This function will take text as a parameter that needs to be translated. Now let's save this API key into this variable. Okay, we don't need this. The URL that we would be doing a post call to will be https api.openai.com slash v1 slash completion. Now let's write some options for the test call. That would be method post and headers. Okay, let's add the body because the body would be in JSON format. Because the body would be in string format, so we'll write JSON.stringify and provide an object inside. Because we are doing a text completion, the model would be text DaVinci 003, and the prompt value would be translate this into German. Colon, give it pointers. This would be in dot text. Okay. Okay, so we are done with the options. Now let's try catch block. This is a fetch call. The response, and we will return this response. Also, let's write the catch block. Okay, so this function is complete. Let's call this particular function. In this, let's pass both the column values, that is item dot product name as well as item dot quantity per unit. And this whole array would go inside JSON dot stringify. We need a wait here, so let's make this function as asynchronous as well. And because this await can sometimes take a while, let's write a busy indicator. If we receive a response, we need to set this response to that particular row. As we will be getting two translations, one for the product name and one for the quantity per unit, separated by a comma, we would need to separate them or split them with a comma. So now that we have done that, let's take this row context and set the property name and the value. Copy the same thing, change this property name, and this will be position 1. Once that is done, let's hide the busy indicator as well. Let's format this and let's test this out. Let's test this out. Let's click on the first row, click on translate to German with indicator. You see, text has changed to German now because there's no translation for chai in German. So it stays like this. Let's try something else. Let's try this particular row. Let's click on translate. Voila. You see, we were able to successfully translate English to German in SAP UI5. Thank you for watching, guys. See you next time.